From the college where you get your musical knowledge, as I would say, knowledge is power. As I shower down the shower on the hour, each and every hour. Education happens to be the topic. And when I tell you this, brothers and sisters, it's terrific. As I would say, I don't mean to play you no funny trick. But if you're young or old, you gotta come on out and bring your walking stick.
Hold it there, Brad B. Make we hear Brad T have to say. You want gun eye?
No eye, gun too hot for I.
Then what the man want then I?
Education for I and I.
That's what the brothers say. And you could hear them tell you each and every day. Literacy means a lot, so we can grow up to be cream of the crop. Cause I will tell you this, literacy is something no one the world can resist. For the I migrate and reach and get, we're not detained by sudden flight, but they while their companions slept. We're turning up through the night, and when I tell you this is gonna be alright, for when I tell you baby I will see this out of sight. Musical sounds called literacy. Learn as you earn, and I will tell it to you, and you will never regret. And when I tell you brothers and sisters, you can never fret. For literacy is the team, and that's exactly how it seems, as I will tell it to you. Baby, you gotta make me see, don't be real keen, don't be no jello bean. For literacy is the topic, and when I tell you this is really, really, really terrific. I will tell you about the sounds called literacy. Shout it in the neighborhood, so all the people can live good. So if you're young or old, and I would say brothers and sisters, you got to have some soul. For in this land of nationhood, you gotta love one another and be very good. Literacy is a team, as I will tell you that's exactly how it seems. And brothers and sisters, you can let your little light shine. And one another right and down the line, as I will tell you just the sound that you can find. Literacy is the thing we need today. Brothers and sisters, each and every day, as I will tell it to you about the sound will leave the way. I tell you literacy is what we need today. In this land of nationhood, that's what I say. So we can go on hand in hand to help Jamaicans to build a better land. Musical sounds called literacy, you know. You got to keep it coming to me though, cause I will give you just a little more. Good God.